So now let's continue with the elif. You can see here in result. So after result, we want to go to here. Yeah, okay, here we are perfect here. So if result, you remember we already have this in the other program, so let's do it right away. So here, remember the spaces in Python. If result is more than 20, print the same value is greater than 20. Then we have else if second condition result greater than 10. Say, so this one, where we want this one, this else if we want it here, right? And here is telling that this is an error. So let's see what is the error in our else if. So first let's write this one, value is greater than 10. Okay, now let's see what is our error here. So it's saying that it's expected the column, so it means the way we are declaring else if is not working here. If else if in Python is different. This is how you declare else if in Python. Now we need else here, and we need we need the column here, and we print here other options. So you see the other three programs, Java, C++, and C# have almost the same syntax for some of the stuff we are gonna work here in the code, and Python have more difference. But even though you follow the same program, right, you're converting this program in pseudocode in Python by changing the syntax. So else if is different, and you can see here we don't need the parentheses. Here we just put column, and here we indented, we don't need to open and close, we just follow that the spaces here, this tab, don't forget about this one, this is important. If you put it here, it means it's go to the main, so that's why you get error, but here it means it's inside the if, so be careful with that. So let's try now. Type a number 2 multiply by 5. So 2 multiplied by 5, 10. This condition is not true because it's less than 20. This condition is not true because it's equal to 10. So we print this one. Now let's do it again. Just 2 multiplied by 8. So this is greater than 10, but is less than 20. So we enter here. Remember, it will choose only the one that is true, or see the condition is true, it will check this one, it doesn't check the other ones. So this all for this one.